my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be another unboxing video. I have two packages that I can open up. Not sure what they are. I really don't know. There's a bunch of stuff that I've ordered that is kind of cool. I'm hoping that it's some of that golden age coolness that I was looking for. I've also been ordering a lot of books related to Loki. So is it going to be golden age or is it going to be some bronze age Loki specs? I'm not sure. We'll find out. So the first package, we'll just open it up here, looks like a bunch of books. So I'm not quite sure what this is. It should be interesting. I don't remember ordering a bunch. Oh, maybe. Wait. I'm thinking. I think I might know what this is. One sec here. Gotta open it up a little bit more. So I'd like people's feedback. What do you think about these unboxing videos? I do a lot of unboxing videos. I know a lot of my viewers are like, why does he buy so much stuff? But, you know, I like buying a lot of stuff. So let's see. So I'd like some feedback about my unboxing videos, if you like them, or if you want me to do more the other style videos where I look at the prices of comics, or I look at what key books maybe to spec on. This is actually a lot that I bought from one vendor. They happened to have just a few books that I was somewhat interested in. One was kind of a hot book it was like hot for a little while. It was on Comic Tom's list like a year ago. And it's one that I thought was kind of interesting and kind of wanted to pick up, even if it wasn't a hot book. And there was a bunch of other things that were in here that I thought were interesting. So I'll show you what it is. These are kind of bronze or to modern books. This one is not as nice as I expected, but it's sort of a mid-grade Batman. And this was the one where it was related to the movie, when the movie came out. Sort of like the comic book adaptation of the movie. And, this was one of those ones that was really hot last year. I figured for like, it says $20, but I didn't pay that much. I figured, hey, for like $16, I think I paid. I think, it was a reasonable price. So that's the first one. This one is one I just thought, great cover. I've been buying a lot of these just great Archie Innuendo covers, and this is one of those. I just love this cover. It's like, Betty and Veronica are at the top of the mountain, and then you got Archie going, how's the view up there, Arch? It's getting better and better. It's just like, just great, great cover. So Archie has some really great Innuendo covers. And then some more Archie related stuff. So this guy happened to have like a bunch of Cheryl Blossom stuff. So I've been trying to collect her comics for a little while. And he had a couple of the series. So here's the first mini series. And it's just like a 3-part mini series. This is number 1. So you can see that. If you're like Cheryl Blossom, you might like these ones. And then this is the other mini series. She goes to Hollywood, and she kind of does the Marilyn Monroe, vent thing and you see like Betty and Veronica in the background being all jealous. And then number 2 of that series, that Hollywood series. And then number 2 of the mini series. So they're alternating, they're all mixed up here. These ones I think are pretty great. That's like sort of a semi-bondage cover. And then we got her doing pizza delivery. This is from that mini series. And then we have the last one. So I picked these up for like $20 for the whole series. So I thought, yeah, for $20, no, not too bad. So it wasn't like a really big expensive buy, but it was just like a lot of like kind of cool Archie comics. And as I said, they're kind of modern comics. But I thought, kind of cool. And this guy just happened to have them at reasonable prices where you could buy the whole collection of comics for, you know, for like 20 bucks. So I thought it was not a bad deal. So the next one, hopefully, is Golden Age. I know a lot of people like my Golden Age pickups, so we'll see what this is. And, oh, okay, this is not Golden Age, but it is Silver Age, and it is a major book. It's one that I've been looking for a while, and it's been on my want list easily a few years now. And it's one that's kind of becoming hot because there is a movie or TV series, I believe it's a movie, coming out featuring these characters. And one sec here. I just have to get all this painter's tape off. And so I'm building up the suspense. You know, you're going to be all excited. Oh, what is it? What is it? So, put that on the floor. This one. So you're probably wondering, what is this? So this is the first appearance of the Legion of Super Pets. So that's like the dog and the horse and the monkey and Streaky the cat. They all made their first appearance in this comic as a team, as a league of Super Pets. And it also is the first appearance of Bizarro Lex Luthor, if that means anything. But yeah, it's kind of a cool comic. They are going to make a Legion of Super Pets movie soon, and I've been trying to make sure that I get all the related comics. So I picked up the first Crypto, the super dog. I picked up the first monkey one. I forget what Action Comics or Adventure Comics that was in. And I picked up the first Streaky the cat and the horse one as well. So I've been trying to pick up those key issues from the Super Pets. I always like these kind of quirky characters. So the Legion of Super Pets is kind of a quirky group of characters, especially like the Bat Hound. I just thought that to me was one of the actually was the first one I got of all the Super Pets. I just thought the Bat Hound was just so awesome. They basically, when they're running the Silver Age Batman, they basically made everything like, bat whatever, and they would just have all these different things. So Bat Hound just seemed really funny to me. So that was one of the first ones I picked up about a year ago. It was like kind of a cool one. I just recently picked up the first Crypto, which I'm super excited to read. Hopefully I'm going to get it soon, and you can see that unboxing as well. So this is the first Legion of Super Pets, a very cool book. Definitely recommend you get it. It's Adventure Comics 293. This is going to be a hot book if that series actually does well, or if that movie does well, I should say. Yeah, just kind of a cool one. So first Lex Luthor, Bizarro Lex Luthor, and Super Pets. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please comment below what do you want to see more of. Do you want to see more of these unboxing videos, or do you want to see more of either my Did I Overpay videos or Guess Who videos? I try to have a bunch of different series that I run, or my controversial comics series. That's been a hit or miss for me. So I'd love to get some feedback about those shows. And the other thing is, check me out on Instagram. I've been posting out a lot of cool comics on Instagram, and I try to give a little bit of the synopsis of those books. So I definitely recommend you check me out on Instagram. My Instagram handle is in my description, so you can check that out. And if it's still running, the 1K subscriber giveaway contest is, a really good opportunity for you to get a free comic. And I will also link that giveaway contest in the description. So you have to comment on that video. So you got to check that video out and comment on it. And if you stayed this long, thank you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.